picture of the fire.
All right, here's our house slash cabin rental, VRBO, or Casa, whatever they call themselves this week. We'll go around and take a look. Well, that's our bedroom up there. The 3 little windows. We got a little side window. Been added on to many times over the years. Raised the roof or whatever they did. Oh, you missed sitting on this porch. We didn't even do that. I think we need to do that. I didn't realize how big this porch was. Look at that. Huh. It's really a nice little place on Lindy Road. Lindy Road goes that way to the left, the other left, but it goes that way to right into Buckley. So we're about 15-20 minutes away from Buckley on the same road. So looks so wonderful. Let's look down the road here. There's just nobody here at night. You can do anything you want to, nobody cares. So that's pretty cool. At night you just don't hear any traffic at all. Crazy. All right, let's go take a tour of the inside the house. Good morning. Here's Mike enjoying his cup of coffee spiked with honey. We're badasses.
Good morning, subscribers. We are having breakfast, and then we're heading off to the steam engine show in Buckley. Probably be there from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. and gonna take it all in.
Great. I can hardly wait. It'll be fun. Look at the river here. This is a rental right on Lindy Road. It's the same road as the back entrance of Buckley's on, and it's perfect. Got the river or stream, whatever you want to call it, and it's a very nice place. What else we got here? Back over there behind that red barn, there's a camping area. There's a few people in the campsite. I think the campsite actually owns this because everything's kind of intertwined, the grass and everything shows that somebody owns that there. Who knows? And what else we got here? We got the house. Lift that up, show the bacon we're cooking.
Let a little heat out.
I got it on high, and there, I guess it's gonna be ready. It just takes a little longer. It doesn't go very hot. So, but it's the next grill. I think we get those at Costco. Those are kind of nice. We got new chairs here. It's all around nice place. Good bang for the buck. So we're going to see what the girls are doing. How's that? And we got our stuff. Gotta have stuff. Here's the living room. Well, one of the living rooms. Got a nice fireplace. Looks like they redid the fireplace. Of course, this is winter chalet probably priority because that's we're right by Crystal Mountain. So. Welcome. Nice table, just like Grandpa made there. Not quite as big, but big bench. Very nice. Looks like an older house, but it's pretty good. Okay, girls, you're on Rabbit Ridge.
Good morning, Rabbit Ridge.
Good morning, Rabbit Ridge.
We are, Shirley and I are in the kitchen this morning getting our breakfast going. We've got...
Boy, that's unusual.
We're making fried potatoes with onions and pepper. Your bagels are about ready in
Okay.
in the toaster oven.
Homemade bread.
We're gonna enjoy Buckley today.
Yeah.
So,
2025 Buckley. I can hardly wait to get my plaques.
Woohoo!
Very
we
nice.
like our home. You guys did a good job finding our home.
You did. This is
We're
beautiful.
expert
Absolutely beautiful.
VRBO shoppers. Let's start with a price. Work your way back. All right.
That's Will's little tractor.
What's Doug doing, hon?
Well, he is working to get his pony motor to start, and the pony motor starts the big engine. And the cables, or not cables, but the coils. Something happened.
Uh-oh.
Here's a point of interest. He and Dad were up at 5 a.m. this morning, drove to Lansing to get the parts, 3 hours, and then drive 3 hours back.
It's a good thing we didn't get here early.
And hopefully this will help run his motor. But I learned about a pony motor. Starts the big, I guess that makes sense. A pony is little. The little motor starts the horse, the big motor.
That's right. Gets the big horse up and running.
Yeah.
The little pony.
Yeah.
Has to go chase it. 'Cause he's
Yeah.
the mom. She's the mom. What's the dad do? He's a stallion.
Yeah.
That's in a different line.
That's right.
He makes the ponies.
Well, that settles that. What else we got here? All right, there's a nice snap-on umbrella. What are you thinking about, Dan? You got high tension in your brain.
Not thinking about anything. Gonna make sure there's enough gas in Dad's tractor so it doesn't run out on you.
Good deal, good deal. Dan's gonna give us a ride around the event center, and we'll get all the trinkets and wood and things that we can get and enjoy the day when they're ready. So, oh. Hello, tourist Mike. What do you have to say for yourself?
Hello, excited to be here. My first year. I'm anxious to go down and see what there is to see and get a plaque and a t-shirt
Oh yeah.
and eat all kinds of unhealthy food.
Perfect. Can I go?
Do you hear all the horns? That's
Oh, yeah.
noon.
That's right.
And,
I don't know if we can
and
hear
they,
it.
I don't know how many different ones, but they...
Steam horns.
Yeah, the steam horn.
1203.
1203, yeah. Like clockwork.
Oh, do you see all this? This is what you can get. They
Yeah.
make all this stuff.
Uh-oh. There's that new one I found at the garage sale. Sent you a picture of it.
What? Oh, yep. I want an M. No more hand start.
I think that was an electric start, I think
Oh.
that's saying, yeah.
I have an H.
That doesn't mean anything to me. I was never good with the alphabet, but
I haven't.
Comstock, you know how that goes.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Cool. Alright.
Well,
Oh, here's a new model.
what is this, Dan? Oh, to put a light on it.
Yep.
Does that make this?
He did. I got that.
How hot was it?
100.
It is a farm field. You gotta expect a little of that. Are you gonna take us for a ride when they're ready?
Heck yeah. Well, I only know how to drive this one.
Well, if you guys want to go down there, I'll take you down there and drive you around.
You
And
gonna eat lunch first, or we're ready to go whenever you are?
We had breakfast just a bit ago. We don't need to eat. I don't
Yep.
know.
Okay, we're heading down to the event center, which is a field, and this tractor is a little rough, but it's definitely the way to go. Anything to say, Sherilyn?
This is just amazing. So many people that have coming here for years. And all the tractors, it's a gotta see, that's for sure. How about you, Michael?
Yes, it's great to be here. I'm looking forward to seeing all the tractors. Just amazing to see the different sizes and years and styles.
Yeah.
Looking forward to a great day.
All right.
Sweet one. All painted up.
Yeah.
No train. Oh.
Just like my chiropractor one day.
I guess we're just spinning this all around here.
Don't be a perfect specimen anymore.
That reminds me of a story. When I went to the chiropractor, couldn't find anything to fix on me. And guess what? He called me a perfect specimen. At least I think he did. That's what I heard. Didn't have nothing to do and didn't charge me. He said, well, come back in 3 weeks. I'm sure I'll be broke by then. Up here today to see Grandpa and the boys display their tractors. Clinton and Daphne came up, Bill and Sue, Cheryl and Mike, us, Ryan and Caitlin and the family. Okay, here's a old Polaris snowmobile. 72, kind of looked like ours. I don't remember the front being open, but I don't think we had shocks in the front. Similar. Dunfield's had a snowmobile, but there's just too many of them to figure out what's what.